All right, we are May 29th, A-0705. Let's give you all a look at what we got going on. So our warehouse demising wall, you can see we've gone up about 50%, getting it prepped for paint. A lot of work had to be done on this. There's a lot of work to be done. Our interior warehouse walls are painted, and the painters are moving through with the exterior offices getting prepped and kind of detailing some of the columns, etc. We had a lot of demolition this week. Floors, it's been a lot. Our new office lights are in. Pretty happy with that. We're going to get a handle on plumbing this next week. We're also going to get a handle on our HVAC diffusers. We went ahead and our bathrooms were pretty rough, so we went ahead and pulled the flooring out of here. We've got some floor penetrations that or some mechanical connections that need to be taken care of. We're going to go ahead and start with pulling accessories, etc., off the wall. Our client has been a great client for us, so we try to step forward when we see things that need to be done. When we are coming in with the new flooring, our cleanouts will be visible. Night and day difference. Handful of other small things. So we are looking at our painting to start in here next week, and then the following week flooring. So we need some of the details of the demolition of the flooring finished out, and get a broom clean on this office. We have all of our ceiling tiles, all of our insulation. They've got cut tiles going on. That should be taken care of. We've got a two-man crew for the painters, buttoning up kind of all of this week. And we've got our overhead doors installed and the operators installed on a handful of them. So they'll be buttoning those up next week. So about this time next week, we should be looking at color on the walls in the warehouse, in the office, and we'll be making a transition from the main office into the secondary office. And the rest of it, as they say, is just moments away from completing. And that's what we look like on the 29th. Thanks for y'all's time.